Hello and welcome to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In this video, we'll be showing you how to tag people in stories in Facebook on your Android device. Tagging people in your Facebook stories is a great way to give your friends and family a shout out and let them know you're thinking of them. You can do this by following the steps below. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap on the Add to Story icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Next, take a photo or video or select one from your camera roll. Once you have selected the media, tap on the text icon to add text to your story. Type the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to tag. For example, @JohnDoe. Facebook will display a list of people with similar names. Tap on the correct name from the list. The person's name will now appear in blue and underlined, indicating that they have been tagged in your story. You can add more tags by repeating the process. It's worth noting that the person you tag will receive a notification that they have been mentioned in your story. They will also be able to see your story in their own feed. And that's it. You have now successfully learned how to tag people in stories in Facebook on your Android device. This feature can help you give your friends and family a shout out and let them know you're thinking of them. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.